Durga Puja is without a doubt the most colorful and lively festival of Bengal and indeed all of India. It is celebrated across the country, sometimes even beyond. Regardless of your religion, all of us celebrate this occasion with our full energy. The festival is widely celebrated in the rural villages of Bengal. My name is Shravan Bosh. I live in Shantiniketan, Birbhum, West Bengal. Today, I am going to show you 3 significant and interesting pujas near Shantiniketan. The photographs and videos you are going to see are shot by me or my family. So, please thank me if you would like to share them. The first one is Shurul, a small village 2 miles from Shantiniketan and close to Sriniketan. There are many pujas celebrated here. Chief among these are the pujas of the Sarkar Bari. These Sarkars had become extremely rich from the 18th century trading with the East India Company, especially with the officer John Cheap. There are 2 parts of this family and therefore 2 pujas. The one held in the considerably larger house is known as the puja of the Boro Bari and the other is the puja of the Choto Bari or the smaller house. Boro Bari means the larger house. These pujas are all traditional motifs and both are celebrated grandly. And this is Hori Loot, a very common religious practice of Bengal, throwing sweets as proshads. Near the Shonachuri heart of Shantiniketan is the ashram of the artist Badhon Das. The puja is named after his mother Hiralini Durgotsav. The puja is unique because unlike most pujas of Bengal, these motifs are folk designs of Durga and her children. Here, instead of weapons, you will find flowers. A fine style indeed. About 20 kilometers from Shantiniketan is the puja of Hatsherandi. This village has more than 30 pujas and traditionally they were made of photochitras. However, sculptures are slowly taking the lead today. But the fascinating part is, on the morning of Shaptami, people take their Kolabau or Navapotrika, the wife of Ganesha, to the nearby river to bathe. The Kolabau travels on a dola and the whole procession of dolas is indeed divine. Kolabau bathing also can be seen in other villages of Bengal, including the aforementioned Shurul. Now let's examine a bit. In the old days, the puja was usually held by the zamindar and all the subjects were also involved, and it became not just a puja but a whole 5-day festival where goddess Durga was worshipped. Gradually, the family of the zamindars became separated between the generations and the puja also became from one to many. Like we see in Shurul, the divisions between the Boro Bari and the Choto Bari. The prominent landlords of Hatsherandi are Brahmins, the Chatterjees. This family split into many factions. Apart from them, other wealthy landholders and merchants also started the puja, resulting in more than 30 pujas. The most unique aspect of Hatsherandi is during the aforementioned Kolabau bathing, all the families join in one procession. Badhon Das, by contrast, is not that old traditionally, but in a way it is very innovative as it deals with folk images. Durga Puja is celebrated in countless other villages in various styles in Bengal. We have seen 3 of them here. That's all for today. Thank you.